Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome back to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. This is video number 2 on solo and using the single note from the triads, using these top 3 strings, strings number 1, 2, and 3. The last video we used string number 3 to solo up the neck. Today's lesson we're going to use string number 2. So in this lesson you want to follow the green notes. The green notes, all the notes will be on string number 2. Okay? So let's start with position 2 first. Okay, let's follow the green notes. String number 2, fret number 3 will be played for the G, and then for the D, slide up to the 7th fret. That's the 3rd dot on the guitar. And then for the E minor, you just want to slide down 2 frets to the 5th fret. And then for the C, just stay on fret number 5. Okay, so it's G, 7. Okay, let's play through the backing track. String number 2, ready? Okay, now let's use the 3rd position on around the 7th fret. Again, string number 2. In this case, we're going to use the 8th fret for the G, and then just slide down to 1 fret for the D, and then back up for the E minor, and then stay on that fret for the C. So you just have these 2 frets. So G, fret number 8, D, E minor, back up, and then C, stay on the same one. Okay, let's combine this also with what we learned on position 1. 3rd fret, 7th fret, fret 5, fret 5. Okay, so let's start with fret number 8. Drop down to 7. Back up to 8. Stay on 8. G. Slide down to the 1st song. Slide up to 7. Down to 5. Stay on 5. 7. 5. 5. Back up to 8. Now let's play the quarter that was easy. So now let's play up to the 12th fret, the double dots. We'll play the second string on fret number 12 for the G. And then go down 2 frets for the D. To fret number 10. Then back up to the 12th fret for the A minor. And then slide up 1 fret to fret number 13 for the C. Okay, again, fret number 12, then 10, back to 12 for the E minor, slide up 1 for the C. Okay, I'm going to combine the 3rd position around the 7th fret with this a little bit later on, and then after a while we'll combine all 3 positions. So let's start with fret number 12 on the 2nd string. Here we go. Here we go. Very simple. One more time. Fret number 10. Just slide down to the 8th fret. Back up to the 12th now. Okay, let's start from the beginning on string number 2, and let's do position 2, 3, and 4. We'll go up the neck strumming beat number 1, whole notes, and then we'll play quarter notes up the neck. Here we go. Okay, fret 3. First position. Fret number 8. Okay, if you enjoyed those single note triads using the 2nd string up the neck, be sure and hit that thumbs up button. I'd appreciate it very much. And if you're not a current subscriber, subscribe to my channel. Join us on the next video. We'll be soloing on string number 1 up the fretboard. So have a great day. God bless you.